Hello Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where a creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today we're back with another video using the Beary Christmas Memories More card pack, the cards and envelopes, and we might use some of the designer series paper as well as the Adhesive-Backed glitter sequence, and we're going to add in an image from the Little Dreamer stamp set this time. Okay, so before we get started on our project, of course we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So we have our With Love and Gratitude paper pumpkin kit. This kit is going to make 8 treat packages with 8 note cards, and it's going to have a Lost Lagoon stamping spot. And for this kit, there's an add-on of a 8x10 journal, and it's $15 for that journal, and the item number is 163270. There's a link in the description box below for you to join, sign up for the paper pumpkin, and you do need to be a paper pumpkin subscriber in order to buy this journal. Next up, we have our bonus days. This is just a reminder for you to redeem your bonus days coupons that you earned last month with your purchases. So check your emails, get those coupons used up. If you don't want to use your coupons, you can gift it to a friend if you would like. This is our August 2023 host code. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this host code because you'll qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free products from Stampin' Up. Lastly, we have our mystery boxes. These are the boxes that I have filled with plus or minus $200 of new and used retired product from Stampin' Up. I'm charging $40 each for these medium flat rate boxes, and that includes shipping. Okay, so basically you're paying about $23 for $200 worth of product, and I can only sell these boxes in the US. And if you're interested, go ahead and email me at stampwithshawna@gmail.com, and I would be glad to get these out to you. Next up, and for last of the announcements, we have our August special for our kits. If you go to stampinup.com/kits, you'll see all of the kits that Stampin' Up has available, and I believe they're on sale for 30% off. So if you would like to look into that, just head over there to the online store. So let's get started on our project. So first we're going to be working with one of the blue card bases that comes in the envelopes, card and envelopes pack. Again, these card bases have a little streak of red in them. I'm not sure if you can see that little streak they have going across. It's really cute. So I have a couple of pieces here. This is one of the cards from the card pack, and then I have some Night of Navy. That this Night of Navy is 3 1/4 by 4 1/4, and we are going to just adhere these things together. Let me see. I'm trying to. No, are we? No, we're not. I'm thinking we're gonna stamp. So let me get some scrap paper here. We're gonna do some stamping in Night of Navy. That's what we're doing. So we're going to stamp this image from Little Dreamers, like I said. We're just going to stamp all over this Night of Navy cardstock. It's going to just be, just to give it some texture for the background. It doesn't have to be in any perfect order because most of it's going to be covered up. Yeah, I think that's good. So I think that's all we need for stamping, because most of these cards I've been doing, you don't really need any stamping. Everything can get pretty much, the card packs does it for you. So we're going to glue this down. Oh, this is the wrong glue. Sorry, let me put that in the garbage so I won't pick that up by mistake again. Oh, see, we have a runaway. Okay, so we want to put this up here, kind of crooked there, like that. And then we want to add this layer. We want to put this one on. Little, oh no, straight. I got a little glue right there. Then we're gonna add some of the stickers. So let me see. Which stickers do we want to use on this one? The bear. Let's see. No, let's use, make a decision, Shauna. I think I'm gonna use the deer. Think I'm gonna use the deer. Let's put these deer on here. Will that be good? Yeah, that's good. Do we want any other stickers? Wishing you the best this season. No, I think that's good. Okay, where are our, let's put some sequins on here, some of this glitter sequins. Let's see what we can do with that. I want to put a big one right here because I see that empty space where I didn't stamp any stars right there. We'll put 2 there. I don't know where I want to put these. Let's put one like right here on this tree. I never know where to put my embellishments. Okay, that is the first card. Let's see, it goes with this envelope here. Really cute. Okay, so that is our first card done. And now let's move on to the second one. You guys know I like doing one of each card base in the videos. So for this one, we are going to have a couple of pieces of paper here. So here's one of the Memory and More cards. This is the 3x4. Give the gift of Christmas cheer, and this is the back, but we're going to be using this side. And I've cut a piece of basic white. This is 3 1/8 by 4 1/8. We're going to glue those together. Oop, you want to put the glue on this one. Just going to glue that together. I think this white is going to make this really pop once I layer it up. So then we have a piece of designer series paper from the designer series paper pack, the Beary Christmas. This is 4 3/4 by 3 3/4. And we are going to add this to our base. And this is just like a night sky. We're going to put it over here to this side, leaving like an even border on these 3 sides like that. Just like that. And then we are going to get some ribbon. So I'm going to be using this white, what is this? The glittered organdy ribbon. I think this is still current. I don't remember. I don't have it as not being current, so... If it's not, I'm sure we have something else that you could use. Like I think it's some kind of holographic ribbon. I think we have in the mini that's coming up. You'll be available. You know what? I didn't even tell you guys that these memories. This is all from the new mini catalog that's going to be available in September. So the September to December 2023 mini catalog. I don't think I told you guys that on the first couple of videos that I've been using these products. But yeah, these are sneak peeks. So this stuff won't be available to you until September. I am so sorry that I haven't mentioned that. But yes, that's where this stuff comes from. So let's see. Let's get a little bit of tear and tape to hold down our ribbon. I think I want it about right there like that. I'm just going to hold that onto the back, and that also give us a little something to help adhere everything down to the card base. So we're just going to add some liquid glue back here. And add this. And we're going to give that same border over here as we have on the opposite side. Okay, and then we'll add some sequins. And let's use some of the white ones on this. Yeah, let's use some white ones. And how about one right here? And that's card number 2 done. And this is the envelope that it matches. Okay, so these are our cards for the day. Aren't they cute? I love that you can just decorate with stickers. You don't really have to do any stamping. If you didn't want to, you didn't have to stamp that. You didn't even have to use this layer. I just like the quick and simpleness of the Memories and More card packs, okay? This is it. I hope you guys liked everything that you've seen. I am a Stampin' Up demonstrator, so if you would like any products, please don't hesitate to contact me so that you can purchase from me as your demonstrator. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.